Hey art friends! I'm back with another art project. On today's episode of Art with Miss Quisler, I want to show you how I made this dotted value scale. Let's get to work! To begin my value scale, I'm using a ruler to make some rectangles on my paper. You don't have to use a ruler for this part if you don't want. It doesn't have to be perfect. I'm just making 7 boxes on my paper that I can fill in with different values. And I'm going to finish with a Sharpie. Okay, now I'm ready to start my value scale. Remember, value is the lightness or darkness of a color. So way over here on the left side of my scale is going to be my darkest value. And when I make that dark value with dots, I'm going to put lots and lots of dots, and I'm going to make them really, really close together so that it looks the darkest, like this. Then over on the other end is going to be my lightest value. So this rectangle gets very few dots and lots of space in between. This box gets dots that are just a little bit closer together. And this one a little bit closer yet, until we fill up the whole scale like this. Next, I'm going to go ahead and cut this out. There it is, friends, a value scale made with dots. I can't wait to see the artwork that you're making at home. Please remember to share it with me. Happy arting, everyone.